Welcome back to Dad Deals. The Amazon Big Spring Sale, otherwise known as Spring Prime Day, is taking place right now. It's also going to be for the next few days. And in this video, I'm going to highlight the top deals that I found today, Wednesday, March 20th. And I'll also have a link down in the description below to my Amazon storefront page, where I will have all the things that I mentioned in this video so you can easily access them, as well as I will keep updating this page throughout the entire sale so you can keep checking back and seeing new deals as I find them. Just as a disclaimer, I do earn a commission if you do use that storefront page and click on those links, but it's a great way. Doesn't cost you anything extra to support my channel. So thanks in advance for using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out what this Amazon Big Spring Sale is all about. First up, we have this Amazon Fire TV. This is a 40-inch TV for $178. This deal is Prime exclusive, but just as a note, this isn't necessarily Spring Prime Day because you don't have to be a Prime member to access any of the deals going forward that I'm going to showcase. It's just a select few that are Prime only, and this happens to be one of them. But if you're not a Prime member, stay tuned, and you can still access all of these deals coming up. It's that time of year to apply some weed and feed product as well as fertilizer, and Amazon has a great selection of both Scotts and Ortho products on sale, including the popular Turf Builder Triple Action. Again, that's that product that has the pre-emergent, the post-emergent, and the fertilizer all built into one product. You can get it right now for just $28. That's 25% off the normal price. They also have just their pre-emergent, their Crabgrass Prevent halts right here, and their Grub X product. This is an excellent product. If you have any mold problems in your yard, there really is a tight window that you can apply this Grub X product. So you want to make sure you don't miss that window if you have grub problems in your yard. And here you can get the bag for just $27. They also have the Ortho Weed Clear here, as well as some Ortho bug control products as well, including the Snake Be Gone if you have any snake problems. So just some nice deals here on those Scotts products. Amazon also has the Greenworks battery-powered outdoor tools on sale. You can get the lawnmower with the battery and charger. This is just the push one, so not self-propelled, for $225. The leaf blower with the battery and charger is $92. And they have a couple other deals here, including just separate batteries or chargers. All these seem to be around 15 to 20% off. So check out these if you're in that Greenworks system or thinking about getting into it. You can get some great deals here. I love EcoFlow power stations. They've been a sponsor of my channel in the past. This is not a sponsored post. I just saw that these were on sale, and these are great prices for these. They have the small river power station that's more like your camping style power station here. They're about 40% off. Here's the River 2 for just $178. They have the larger Delta versions. Those kind of start getting into your home backup solutions. And here's the Delta 2 for $630. They also have their super popular solar panels that fold up really nice. I have one of these. I love it. And they have the solar panel and the power station bundles on sale as well. So if you ever wanted to get in on this, this is a great price and great deal. Solo stoves are also on sale. We have the Bonfire 2.0 with the stand for $252, as well as a bunch of other accessories here, including the pizza oven for $280 and all the accessories that you might need there. These are really nice fire pits. Keep in mind that that smokeless claim is kind of a gimmick. It does produce less smoke, but it is in no means smokeless. But if you have those expectations going in that it will produce some smoke, these are some really nice fire pits. Giraffe Tools makes some excellent cord reels and hose reels. And here's their hose reel. It's heavy duty, it retracts. And this is their 155-foot version. So just a massive hose reel. You could probably access your entire yard. These are great to attach directly to a house or to like a 4x4 post. But this is on sale for 15% off. You really rarely ever see these go on sale, and it's $203. Ego has some nice sales on their mowers. You can get these for about 15 to 25% off. But the best deal here is their 21-inch push mower for $500. And this is going to come with the 7.5 amp hour battery and rapid charger. So a nice savings there if you need a new mower. Weber Grills is also having some great deals. I really like the Spirit 2 burner here. It's $450. That's a nice price for it. It has 2 fold-out shelves, and Weber just makes a really nice quality grill. Whenever these Prime Day events come up, you can usually score some great deals on Amazon products. And here are all the Amazon Basics outdoor products. And pretty much all of these are 20% off and above. But they have grill covers here that you can get for around $23. Some outdoor furniture covers, zero gravity chairs, hammocks, just a bunch of stuff here to take a look at. And if they've been sitting in your cart, now might be the time to buy. Also, with grilling season here, one of the best tools that you can get that's going to really take your grilling game to a professional level is to get a meat thermometer. Don't ever try to grill without one. It's nearly impossible. And this can really just give you the perfect cook on your steak or other things. But this is just $12 right now, so there really is no excuse to get one. It's a nice digital thermometer and it's 36% off the normal price. Amazon has had some nice deals on the Craftsman power tools lately, and here's their lawn and garden tools. These are all on sale during this event. You have everything from the pruners to the weed whackers, edgers, chainsaws, and blowers, all on sale. This 10x10 Campy is a nice price at $140. With these, I always look for the straight legs. If you get the ones with the slant legs, those are usually a lot cheaper. They just provide a lot less shade than the straight up and down legs. So this looks like a nice one here for $140. With the warmer weather here, it's also going to be time to start watering your garden beds and your grass. And here we have the RainPoint water timer. It's a 2-zone timer. You can program it to come on whenever you need it to, and it is $42 right now. One of the most overlooked but most important accessories that you can buy if you have a Blackstone griddle or really any other griddle is one of these silicone mats. For a long time, I kind of felt like they were useless until I saw someone post that they had discovered rat poop on them and that this thing had protected them from consuming basically rat poop. So once I saw that, I got one of these immediately. So one of the big issues with having a griddle is getting rats and mice underneath them. And the problem is you have a black griddle surface, the rat poop is black, and you might not know that you're actually consuming that. So get one of these. It will protect your griddle surface, keep it nice and moist, as well as protecting against those rodents. But here's one to fit your 36-inch Blackstone perfectly, and it's on sale right now for $25, and there's even an extra 10% off coupon. DeWalt is also taking part in this sale, and they have a bunch of their combo packs as well as the table saw and battery packs on sale. You can get that DeWalt 10-inch table saw with the nice stand for $550. You can get a battery 20-volt 2-pack of the 4 amp-hour batteries for $130, as well as these nice combo kits on sale. And another brand that's a big part of this sale is Skil. Skil sort of has two lines. One is just the Skil, the SKIL brand, and that's what you're seeing here. This is more your consumer line of tools, and they have some great deals here on like the drain cleaner, the multi-tool, reciprocating saw, jigsaw, just a bunch of stuff here on sale. Even the table saw at just $270 is a great price with the integrated stand. But Skil also has a pro line of tools, and you can really tell that they're pro line by seeing that Skil saw written out. And that includes things like the worm drive saw that you see here, as well as this nice table saw here that is a little bit more expensive at $355, but you're just getting a little bit better saw and a more pro level tool that Skil saw used to be known for. Going back to DeWalt, they have this pancake air compressor, a 6-gallon version, 165 PSI rated for $160. That's not a bad price. And then it's always a good idea to protect your ears. And here we have the popular 3M Work Tunes. These connect to Bluetooth and protect your ears, as well as let you listen to podcasts or listen to some music while you work. These are all on sale for about 40% off. Gear Wrench is also having a big sale. They make some great mechanics tool sets. I really like this mechanics tool set here with the 3-drawer storage box. It is 62% off right now at just $200. They have a bunch of sets here you can choose from. One of the best ways to get some more storage in your garage is to think upwards and to store things on the ceiling. And this is a great way to do it from Flexi Mounts. They have this 4x8 overhead storage unit for just $137. That's 40% off. I mentioned this a few weeks back on one of my deals of the week video, but get your solar eclipse glasses now. This is probably one of your last chances to get them before they sell out. And they have some great prices. Here we have a 6-pack for just $10. And if you really want to take up your solar eclipse watching game, you can get these nice plastic rimmed glasses instead of the cheap paper ones. But here we have a 3-pack for $25. These wafer lights are super easy to install. You can drill a hole. It can be over a joist. Doesn't matter. They can squeeze right in. You hook everything up in this junction box and you are good to go. They're super easy to put anywhere. And here we have a 20-pack, so you can pretty much do your entire living room or entire kitchen for $110, and there's a $20 coupon, so you're basically getting it for about $90. So a great price here on these Amico ones. The Govee permanent outdoor lights were super popular this Christmas season, and this pack is usually $400, but here you're getting 20% off at $320. Just a tip here, since these are going to be permanent outdoor lights, it's really not a bad idea to install them when the weather is nice and warm. It will probably make installing them a lot nicer so you're not freezing. And they're designed obviously to stay up year round anyway. So you can even take advantage of the 4th of July holidays, Halloween, any of those other holidays coming up, you can light up your house that way as well. But here you can take advantage of 20% off at $320. This is the 100-foot version as well. One of the best upgrades you can make to your bathroom is to install a bidet. I have no regrets after installing mine, and it's super easy to install with these slimline ones. This Lux brand is a good brand of these. It's super easy to install. It comes with a T connector, so it hooks right into your water line and then goes right under the toilet seat. But here, this is for just $50. You get this one. If you have a tile shower, one of the best ways to clean it is with one of these electric scrubbing brushes. I was sent one a while ago. It wasn't this brand, but it looks just like it. And this is just $30 and actually has a 10% off extra coupon. But this thing is rechargeable, comes with all the cables, comes with all the brush heads that you need, and will make cleaning that tile shower so much easier. This nice bungee pack is just $18, and you're getting 18 bungee cords, 6 of each size. So a nice pack there. Metabo is also having a lot of good deals. They have their multi-tool, their drill driver packs, their reciprocating saw and rotary hammer, all for great prices, around 30% off. This massive headlamp is on sale. I saw this thing, I thought it was crazy, but this is pretty awesome. Looks like it can put out a ton of light, 22,000 lumens. It's also waterproof, but this is only $18 right now. Always make sure you have a working carbon monoxide alarm if you're dealing with any gas appliances, and this one's 31% off at just $20. It's also nice that this has the digital readout, has a memory feature in it as well, and a replaceable battery. As the weather gets warmer, make sure your weather stripping is in good shape around all your doors and windows. And here we have the 18-foot self-adhesive large gap version for just $12. Also, to help out your air conditioning, if you have any places that get too cold or don't get cold enough, you might want to angle your vents. And these are great deflectors for just $14 for a 4-pack. If you have any windows up high or skylights like I do, these outdoor window cleaners that can hook up to a garden hose are super nice to have. Here's a 2-pack from the Windex brand, and this is just $20 for those. I recently used the 60-second outdoor cleaner version of this from Lowe's. I think I spent around $14 or $15 just for one bottle. If your kids are in any sporting events or you need one for the job site, check out these Igloo work coolers for just $34 that come with that cup holder. And if you need a giant cooler for your boat or your fishing trips, check out this Igloo Polar 120 quart cooler for $78. And then last up, if you need any Amazon devices, so Fire TV sticks, Kindles, Amazon Echoes, Blink cameras, anything like that, now is a great time to get them. They're going to all be 40 to 50 to 60% off. So make sure you check out those if you need them. And again, I'll have a link to that storefront page that will be updated as I see the deals pop up. So you have one place, one easy place to go. And that's all the deals that I found so far. If you see any others, please leave a comment below. And as always, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.